Podia Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to the Podia Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll break down Podia's affiliate program, its features, commission structure, and who can benefit the most from promoting it. Links to sign up are in the description, so be sure to check them out. Podia is an all-in-one platform designed for creators, coaches, and entrepreneurs who want to sell online courses, memberships, digital downloads, and coaching services without the need for third-party tools. It's known for its simple interface, built-in email marketing, affiliate management, and zero transaction fees. Unlike other platforms that require multiple integrations, Podia provides a seamless experience for creators looking to sell and grow their audience in one place. The Podia Affiliate Program allows you to earn 30% recurring commissions on every referral for as long as they stay subscribed. That means passive income month after month from just one successful sign-up. The cookie duration is 90 days, giving your leads plenty of time to convert while still earning you commissions. This program is perfect for content creators, bloggers, YouTubers, and marketers who cater to an audience interested in course creation, digital products, or online business growth. If you create content around e-learning, passive income, or digital entrepreneurship, Podia is an excellent product to recommend. To maximize your affiliate earnings, consider making comparison videos or articles that highlight how Podia stands out against competitors like Teachable or Kajabi. You can also create step-by-step tutorials on how to set up an online course or membership using Podia, which will provide value while encouraging signups. Overall, the Podia Affiliate Program is a great opportunity to earn recurring commissions while promoting a user-friendly and feature-rich platform for digital entrepreneurs. If you're ready to start earning, sign up using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.